Mga Exoon, so nandito po tayo ngayon sa University of Visayas.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Cagayan Valley versus Central Luzon. Time remaining 5 minutes and 22 seconds. The score 40-52 in favor of Central Luzon. Ulitin ko po mga kaibigan, yung naka-green po ay ang Cagayan Valley at ang yellow-orange ay ang Central Luzon.
Basket down, foul number 2. Hit to the arm, 1 free throw.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, remaining time 4 minutes and 6 seconds. Score 43-57 in favor of Central Luzon.
57-43. Substitution number 15.
Yung ginagawa po dito ng Central Luzon, tinatrap po nila yung kanilang kalaban para ma-pressure po. Kasi mas mabilis po dito yung Central Luzon kaysa sa Cagayan Valley. O kayo, naagaw na naman. Pressure po nila yung kanilang kalaban. Malalaki po yung taga Cagayan Valley pero mas maliliksi at mabibilis ang taga Central Luzon. At magagaling pa yung kanilang mga ball handling.
3 minutes, 29.
17 points yung kanilang hinahabol.
2 minutes 35. Ten to shoot. 2 minutes 10. Two minutes 7 seconds. Substitution. Shot clock should be indeed. Shot clock. Last 2 minutes. Ball in bounds to Gigara West Central School Basketball. One minute 45. Time out to Gigara West Central School.
Gigara West Central School is a part of Cagayan Valley. So, ang ganda po ng mga ng labanan dito, nakaka-intense kahit mga elementary pa lang. So, ang gagaling na nila. Ito yung palarong pambansa ng Pilipinas. Yung galawan pang national na good competition. Matataas yung mga athlete nila dito ng elementary, parang mga high school na, at maliliksi at magagaling ng magdala ng bola. So, intense training ang ginawa dito at saka rigid practice. At dapat yung coach dito ay marunong din mag-basketball. At meron dito yung kanang coach. Meron sila ditong mga kauban na mga trainers din. May mga assistant coaches sila dito at saka yung supporters nila. Grabe po yung energy ng supporters ng Green, pero ganun pa man, hindi pa rin sila habol sa kalamangan dahil 13 po ang kanilang hinahabol. So, ang ginagawa ngayon ng Central Luzon ay pinapatay na lang yung kanilang oras dahil 1 minute 22 seconds na lang.
Two points. $16.49. 1 minute. There to shoot. 55 seconds. 50. Shot clock 14. 40 seconds.
Ang galing ng depensa ng Central Luzon, hindi makaporma yung Cagayan Valley. Ang ganda ng depensa.
3 points.
So 8 points na lang yung hinahabol.
85.
So 8 points na lang, last 23 seconds.
60, 52. Last 23 seconds.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, basketball 5-on-5 between Cagayan Valley and Central Luzon. Remaining time, last 20 seconds. Score 52-60 in favor of Central Luzon.
11, Interior, 2 shots. $19 seconds. 1 point.
sayang, sayang.
Free throw violation.
Free throw violation. Crucial point pa naman yun.
Time out. Central Zone.
Once again, remaining time, 19 seconds.
Score Intelligence. Central Zone.
So, 53-60. So, 7 points po yung kanilang hinahabol.
Last 19 seconds. Foul. Number 15. 13 foul. 15 seconds. Last 15 seconds. Foul number 3. Warning for penalty. Warning number 3. Ball return to backward violation, 11 seconds.
Last 5 seconds. So, 7 points pa yung hinahabol. So, congratulations Central Luzon. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, winner, Central Luzon.
Central Luzon, 53. Congratulations, Jesus is Lord Colleges of Central Luzon.
Congratulations.